Welcome back to my video. This is the Chrysler Town & Country 2012 where the engine had the ticking noise, and I have gone in the engine. I had a video out there where I went inside the engine and changed all 24 lifters and 24 rockers, and also I changed out the cam phasers, which is the camshaft sprockets. This one here is the intake, and this one here is the exhaust. And these are the 24 rockers and lifters. There are two of them on the right side of the engines that I found. I showed it in the previous video, and that's the problem why the ticking noise was the issue in the engine. So guys, the engine has been completed, put everything back together. That's the air cleaner duct, the upper intake, valve covers, all ducts and tubes, electrical connectors, everything here is all back together. New oil, put new spark plugs in, and I'm ready to install the top dust cover here. We're ready to, okay, everything is now back together, and I'm ready to install my battery back to the negative post. So now I have everything back together, guys. The engines is all completed, and I'm ready for the operational check. The engines now should run like the way it should, with no ticking noise in it. If you have seen the previous video where when I started the engines before, it has a heavy ticking noise in it. By replacing the 24 lifters and rockers in the engine, it should now run smooth like the way it should. So here is the operational check. I'm going to start the engine now, and it should run smooth. Okay guys, here is the engine running smooth, beautiful, nice like it should. So got rid of that ticking noise. The engine should be perfectly operated, normal temperature. Okay guys, perfectly operated. The engine is back to normal, and I'm very proud of the work that I have done. You know, the total cost here, it cost me approximately $500, included the rockers and lifters and cam phasers, spark plugs, oil, and I saved myself $4,500. The dealer would have charged me $5,000. I saved myself $4,500. So just for the information, guys, you know, you can do the same if you follow the same procedure and get it done right. And I just want to say thank you again for watching. I really appreciate you supporting me from the beginning until the end, and you can do the same. So again, thanks again for watching, and hopefully you like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again.